right?
No, not.
Just climbed
100 flights of stairs.
up to the top of this carousel thing in the site because we're leaving today and we just wanted to get a bird's eye view of the place. It's basically just a big kids wooden carousel which is 5,000 feet high, so we'll show you the view now. So it starts off with the cheaper end of the site. It's basically just you're allowed to stay in a campsite, car park, sorry. That's about it. Use the facilities and all that.
It's got electric hookup, that.
Yeah, it's got electric hookup. I don't know whether all of them have.
Yeah.
But anyway, some real cool off-roaders in the corner there, those Mercedes Mogs something or others they're called. Load of motorhomes. California there. Yeah, I think it's about 20 odd euros a night. I think when Sean and Lizzie from A Bus and Beyond came here originally, they stayed there the first night and then treated themselves the second time they came to a bit of a posh site. But yeah, you're next to the road. Don't think you'll quite get the mountain views, you're a bit close to the road. If you move around, there's a main entrance down there, reception. You've got load of campervan, caravans, pictures down the bottom of there. Down here you've got the toilet. Can't see our van for, oh yeah, our van is
Behind the toilet.
it's behind that tree there.
Oh yeah, that is.
So that's our van there. Anyways, and then the site carries on up there as well. It's busier than Tesco supermarkets, but it doesn't feel crowded. There's a yep. Yeah. Spot a little Grand California as well.
I don't know, is it too tall?
Yeah, Graham White-ish. Does look good. Plan for today? Going to
Garda.
Lago de Brais.
Then Garda.
It's a lake somewhere with a nice view. So go there and we think we're going to end up in Lake Garda because the forecast says 28 degrees, sunny, so we fancy getting away from mountains that we love and go and dip in the water, get on a sup, go and have some nice Italian food, a gelato, all that type of stuff. So that's what we're going to do. Just to give you an idea what we've just been up. Is that little beauty? Instead of picking a piece, have a pot noodle. Lago de Brais didn't work out. Road was closed, like 6 kilometres away from the actual location. So they were trying to veer us off to a bus with a car park, and there was a queue of a lot of people, so we binned it off. And we're currently in a very luxurious service station somewhere in Italy on the way to Garda. 25 degrees, forecast is hot and sunny for the next week or so, why not? Sarah?
Yes, love.
And Ali?
We're at Lake Garda and it's feckin' boiling.
That Lake Garda. Awful pitch.
Someone stole our electric cooker.
Right next to the lake. How awful is that?
Someone stole our electric cooker.
And then some buggers stole the electric hook up, so we're waiting for the Italianos to sort it out.
Which will be tomorrow.
It's 29 degrees.
Oh, possibly 30.
So, sweaty-o is coming up. It's actually too warm for us. Well too warm. So what we're going to do is raid the fridge to keep cool. And that is exactly how we do it. This is the view from our van, right next to the lake. It's pretty secluded, pretty packed in, but we've got plenty of room. So we've got a little jetty with someone sitting at the moment. But tomorrow morning we'll be claiming that. Where are we?
We're in Lake Garda.
Actually,
in
in
Lake
it.
Garda.
I was in it.
Yeah, we don't need to show that.
We are in Lake Garda. There's the van behind us. You can probably just see it next to a blue California as well. There's our transport to the bar. And then there, my friends, is the lake. So what we plan to do is sink a few more beers, look for some pizza,
Sink a few more beers
and sink a few more beers
and relax.
and relax. Come on, Gail, let's go to the pub. So in keeping with the Italiano theme, I'm now on the beer Moretti because we've run out of Peroni.
If not,
Sarah is still
on Dirty Dick.
on what we call a dirty dick. Some Luxembourgian beer
And it's beautiful.
in a Swiss in a Swiss
St.
glass
Jacobs,
from when we went to
Sharp.
see
Mumford and Sons.
Mumford and Sons in Basel. But anyway, it's cold and it's got a view.
Anywhere deep. I'd have to be strapped to the board, I think. Or armbands. Maybe you should buy me some armbands.
Look at that lazy cow. How are you meant to choose pizza when there's a page? 2 more pages. And then a 4th page.
It's weird.
Sarah's first ever Aperol Spritz.
Yeah. I expected it to be.
As you can see the look on her face, she
I-
really likes it.
To be fair, I pull this face whenever I drink any alcohol, but
And I've gone beer Moretti.
I expected it to be fizzy.
Oh, hang on. Oh, that's a nice glass.
That is a good glass.
How good does Sarah's carbonara look? You're not going to finish that, love. You're going to need help. And then you got my
Shit pizza.
pizza with an Aperol Spritz and a beer. I ordered beer, Sarah ordered Aperol Spritz. We've never tasted it. It tastes like iron brew. She doesn't like it. We had to swap.
Yep. Tastes like shit.
First morning at Lake Garda. Walking down a jetty at 7:10 in the morning. Bloody midges everywhere. Reason I've got up so early is because I looked at the pop top and saw this sunrise. Not very often you get a nice sunrise on a gorgeous Italian lake, so why not include it? It's gorgeous. Before we indulge in some fine Italian cuisine, we're going to indulge in some more familiar cuisine first. Sausages. And we've got eggs going in there, from there. Bit of Filippo Berio to keep it Italian, ketchup, and then we're done. Sky, look at it. A bit of oil in your bike, mate. Where are we?
We're at Lake Garda and we're walking round Lake Garda.
With no plans?
With no plans.
No
Maybe
time
get
scale.
some food and just chill.
We don't care.
Oh, I'm tired because it was hot last time.
This is what we're looking at. Come on, kid.
Hey?
Come on.
I like the sound of music. They have like baskets singing over here.
Oh yeah.
Can you see the campsite?
No. Where are we?
Somewhere in Lake Garda.
So where?
Sirmoine in Lake Garda.
Yeah, we're not actually, we got lost.
We're at the classic beach cafe, classic rock.
Having a Fanta orange, water, said as a beast, and got on the Corona. We cycled what?
40 minutes.
40 minutes in 30-degree heat, and it's ridiculously stinking. But the view's good. Now settling down for some food.
So I had a pizza yesterday. Got a pizza in Martinez You had pizza in the campsite in the Dolomites.
But we're in Italy.
So this is your fourth pizza.
4 pizza in a week.
No,
That's not even every day.
that's 4 pizza on the run.
Yeah, we're in Italy. It's our last morning in this unsightly landscape. A quick coffee. Some awful Italian biscuits to go with the coffee. Meant to be nice, but they're not. Oh yeah. What an awful day. Switzerland next.